In this chapter, we will apply our visualization methods for a simple case study to create a data story. We will use our famous dataset Titanic to illustrate the distribution of survivors. Load the dataset Titanic and the package ggplot. Now, let's first understand the survival rate. Apply aesthetics AES mapping of x is equal to frequency FREQ, then add the geometrical object geom density with AES color is equal to survived. Field is equal to survive alpha, that is the transparency, by 0.3. Therefore, the plot infers an estimate of 250 people survived. Now, let's validate this with another graph. Here, we have applied geom density to distinguish the frequency by color if frequency is greater than 300. From the output, we can clearly confirm that more than 300 people didn't survive. Now, let's see which group survived the most. Again, in the geom density, we have AES color and field is equal to survive with alpha is equal to 0.3. Then add column class in the facet grid. Clearly, we can see the crew survived the most, followed by the first class. And if we add age with class in facet grid, we can see that most of them were adults. Further, let's differentiate those adults based on gender by adding facet grid class tilde sex. From the plot, we can infer that most of the crews survived were male. And one thing, we observe that females from all the class except the crew are given the most priority than the males. Might be the reason females survive the most as part of the males. So with this visualization, we are able to understand the data easily without any complex calculations. Next, we will learn how to plot our data in a map like Google. That is, we will perform how to apply geospatial data again by using ggplot2.